CORD principal Raila Odinga was among leaders who attended the launch of the exercise at KICC. Odinga says the IEBC should target all 9 million new voters and not just 6 million. He urged Kenyans with IDs and who are not registered to do so before the expiry of the time.
The government spokesman, my friend Mr. Kreidi, Deputy Governor, and all protocols of service, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very great day for the people of Kenya. And we want to thank the IEBC for organizing this session so that those who are participants in the elections can have opportunity to be briefed and to also share their views with the IEBC. This is a non-partisan occasion. I therefore am not going to be talking here as ODM, as CORD, or as NASA. I'm talking just like another Kenyan because we are also addressing the Kenyan audience today. It is a very important occasion, and we must go into it as Kenyans, not as members of this party or this other party. So the partisan day will come when Kenyans are making a decision on the 8th of August. Before that time, we must work together, we must close ranks as a people. So don't begin to fight on partisan basis when people are registering as voters. Let them come and register as Kenyans, because if somebody is transferring from one area to the area, he's also leaving a hole where he's coming away from, to come here. But the thing is that it may not be proper for any leader to be elected in a constituency with the imported voters from another constituency. It means that you are not going to represent the people who have voted for you. You are representing other people who are living elsewhere. You need to use the people who are there because those are the ones who you are going to represent. Those are the ones who are having problems. They say that it's the way of the shoe, who knows where the shoe is pinching. So don't bring other people who are wearing shoes from somewhere else into this other area. We need to develop and strengthen our democracy as a people. This should be our aim, that we want to use these elections to strengthen Kenyan democracy. We are in a transition, like many other African countries. I have just come from the inauguration of a president in Ghana. And when I was there in Ghana, they're saying Ghana is all the times setting the trend for the continent. They were the first country to attain independence in 1957. And they have also been the first country where elections have been held, where government has been changed through the ballot, not through the bullets. And therefore they are proud. At that occasion, the outgoing president was present, and the incoming president was also present, and they were congratulating each other. This is what we want. We want to have a situation where the outgoing regime is there to congratulate the incoming, or the opposition is also there to congratulate the incumbency.